I tried my hands on the Arduino Speech Recognition Engine using a Nano RP2040 Connect, and I'll be sharing the outcome with you. Speech recognition requires a more advanced form of machine learning, which is called deep learning. Specifically, it requires a sequence model or a language model. However, not everyone is cut out for training such models. Arduino would like to make things easier for engineers, so they've released the Speech Recognition Engine. From their website, this engine is set to support 40 languages with no need for vocal training or internet access, meaning the model resides completely on the device. This is a feat to accomplish because these models would have to fit onto the available storage on the microcontroller. You'll need to pay for the convenience that you get, and the library requires you to purchase a license for each board that you'll be using it on. It currently costs $9 to get a license. There's a free trial license that will let you test up to 40 commands on your microcontroller. I have both the Nano RP2040 and the Potenta H7 at hand, so I decided to try the library on the Nano RP2040, simply because its processor isn't as powerful as the one on the other microcontrollers. Before getting the license though, I would have to locate the serial number on the Nano RP2040 Connect. For this board, I would need to run a sketch. The first thing that I did was to open up the Arduino IDE. Then I went to the library and searched for the DSpotter SDK. There are 3 versions, one for each of the boards. I installed the version for the Nano RP2040 Connect. I also installed the dependencies. After installing the library, I went back to the examples menu on the Arduino IDE and located the DSpotter menu. Then I opened up the Get Serial Number sketch. I connected the microcontroller to my computer and made sure it was powered so that the IDE would detect it. Afterwards, I selected the microcontroller from the menu, as you can see on the screen. The sketch prints output to the serial terminal, so I checked for the baud rate so I wouldn't miss the data being sent out. After that, I uploaded the sketch to the board. After the sketch finished uploading, the microcontroller rebooted. I then opened up the serial monitor and I could see the serial number of the device. I then went back to the browser and visited the URL that was specified in the documentation for getting a trial license. I chose the board and put in the serial number, hit submit, and got the license printed out on the screen. The next step involved going back to the Arduino IDE and opening up the example voice recognition project. Once open, I located the license header file and pasted the license key into the unsigned integer array. In the next step, I made sure to close the serial monitor from the first sketch where I was reading the board serial number. I then went to the voice recognition project and uploaded the sketch onto the board. I had to wait a little bit for the upload to complete, so I took the opportunity to skim over the code. Once the upload was complete, I was then able to open the serial monitor to see the list of commands that the board would recognize. At this point, I moved over to the microcontroller and tried to speak some of the commands.
Hey Arduino.
The only command that I got the board to recognize was the Hey Arduino command.
Play music. Next song.
I wasn't successful with any of the other commands, but I'll try again and report in another video. I'll also request a trial license for a Potenta H7 just to see if it performs better. I hope you found this video to be informative, and if you did, please give it a like. I'd love to read your comments, and please subscribe so you know when the next video comes out. Thank you.